Today's episode is the Number Block Snore Effect Joke Book, and this video has been requested by Choni Wangmo. Enjoy the video.
Hi audience, I'm Tony, and I'm here to tell you a lot of number block snore effect jokes from my joke book. And I'll tell each number block snore effect joke one by one. Anyways, the audience should remain silent. And here we go. Hey 79, what's your favorite sea vehicle? Hovercraft. What do you call a drunk snorer? Number block 46 is snoring effect. Who has the most humiliating snore of all time? Number block 61! What do you call a snore breather? Number block 42 snoring effect. Hey 66, how do endless numbers characters snore whistles? Who snores? Number block 92. Anyways, stay tuned for episode 132.